never read a poetry book again. Yes, I'm never going to read a poetry book again from the public library, 'cause I'm so used to writing comments at poetry websites. I keep writing comments at the end of each poem, and the librarian stares hard at me, and withholding her smiles from me, she says in her meanest voice, "That'd be $45 to replace that hardcover book. Thank you." Okay. I'd be thanked at websites for my visit and writing a comment, but this librarian, oh, she hasn't a clue, has she? Has she even heard of freedom of expression? Does she even go online? Oh, I'm never, ever again going to read a poetry book from the library.